Hi, LindaBauwin here from StampingWithLinda.com, your cardiologist since 1997, helping you create cards from the heart. Today is just a quick video, and I see my lighting is just not exactly right, so I'm going to try to fix that. I just want to show you a quick video on why you need the Stitched Season Framelits. These are exclusive framelits that are only available the month of August or while supplies last. And I say only while supplies last because once they're gone, they're gone. And these are just so cool. If you like the stitched shapes, then you're going to love these. And something different about these is that you get a dual action with them. You can use both the cutout and the negative image. So I wanted to show you that. Remember, if you order in my online store and use my hostess code of $30, an order of $30 or more, you will get a PDF tutorial on all kinds of cool cards made with this bundle. So what happens is that you get the stitched around the cutout image. You can see that. And you also get the negative imaged with the stitch. So this works well for shaker cards or window cards. So kind of a double framelit. And again, remember, this is only a limited time. So you want to also check out the bundle with the stamp set. The stamp set has some pretty flowers in it and great for watercoloring. So check back on Monday because I will have another video on a very cool thing that you can do with this exclusive bundle. Thanks for joining me. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.